Hello students, let us do exercise 7.4 and question number 3. Question number 3 is of lowest form. So we have to convert in the lowest form. So let us do second part of the question, that is 18 upon 27. 18 factors are 2 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18. And that of 27 are 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Now 3 and 3 will cancel and it is coming out to be 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are, this 3 and 3, this 3 can also be cancelled out. So we will get 2 by 3. Now 2 by 3 is the lowest form. And third part of the question is 80 upon 90. 80 upon 90 can be written as 8 into 10 and 9 into 10. 10 and 10 will cancel and it is coming out to be 8 upon 9. We cannot cut anything in 8 and 9. Now fourth part of the question is 14 upon 21. 14 upon 21. Factors of 14 are 2 into 7 and that of 21 are 3 into 7. 7 and 7 will cancel and it is coming out to be 2 by 3. Now the fifth part, 108 upon 144. You will make its factors. 108. 2 into 54. 54 is again divisible by 2, so 27. And factors of 27 are 3 into 3 into 3. Divided by 144. 144 divided by 2 is 72. 72 divided by 2 is 36. 36 divided by 2 is 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. And then 3 into 3. Into 3 into 3. Now if you see, these 2 will cancel with this, these 2 will cancel with this. 1 and 2, 3 will cancel with these 2 3s. And what is left in the numerator? 3 is left and in the denominator 4 is left. So 3 by 4 is the lowest form. And now after this fifth part, we have sixth part. And sixth part is 58 upon 174. Factors 58 is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 29 2s are 58. Now 174. 2 8 2s are 16. So 174 by 2, 8 2s are 16, so 87. By 3, 3 2s are 6, so 29. So 2 into 3 into 29. 29 and 29 will cancel. 2 and 2 will cancel. And what is left? 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is the lowest form of this. After this we have a seventh part. Seventh part is 60 upon 84. 60. 2 into 30. 30 will be 2 into 15. 15 will be 3 into 5. And 84 will be 2 into 42. 42 divided by 2 is 21. And then 3 into 7. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 12 7s are 84. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 12 5s are 60. 1, 2 will cancel with 1, 2. This 2 will cancel with this 2. This 3 will cancel with this 3. And we are left with 5 upon 7. So in simplest way, lowest form how we will find out? By making prime factors of numerator, by making prime factors of denominator, cancel out the common terms which we are having, and after cancelling out the common terms, whatever is left will be the lowest form. After this we have comparison of fractions. In comparison of fractions, when fractions are like fractions, then how we can compare the numerator of the fractions, and if the fraction having the greater numerator will be greater than the fraction having the smaller numerator. And then we have comparison of unlike fractions. Like fractions and unlike fractions definitions you people already have done. So let us do few questions of this exercise 7.5 and let us take question number 2. So question number 2 is exercise 7.5. Question number 2. Compare the following. 10 upon 11, and then here we have to do the comparison, and then we have 11 upon 19. Now, simple way of comparison is you multiply in this way. Like this you multiply. 10 into 19 will be 190, and then multiply these, denominator and this numerator. 11 into 11 is 121. Now 190 is less than 121, therefore first, that is 10 upon 11 will be less than 11 upon 19. So it is the way. Simple thing is like this. If we have A upon B and C upon D, if you multiply this, if AD is less than BC, then A upon B is less than C upon D. And if AD is greater than BC, then A upon B is greater than C upon D. And if these two are equal, if AD is equal to BC, then A upon B will be equal to C upon D. So these three formulas you have to keep in mind for the comparison. Thank you.